Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video I will talk about what is blog and what is used for, its advantages and disadvantages. First, let's talk about what is blog. A blog is an online journal or informational website displaying information in reverse chronological order, with the latest post appearing first at the top. You can also say that it is a platform where a writer or a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. A subject can be anything, it can be of any category, anything that you have interest on. And now let's talk about what is blog used for. A blog is a type of website usually maintained by an individual with the regular entries of commentary or descriptions. Entries are commonly displayed in reverse chronological order, and the blog that is basically used for is to share the information with the mass audience. If you have anything that you are interested on or any subject, you can make any blog posts and post them on the websites, and you can share them with the audience, and then the audience that are viewing your posts can give you a feedback, can tell their views, what they think about your post, and give a comment, like, and share with others also. The blog is basically used for to engage with the audience, to share your views, to share your knowledge, to share your information, anything you know about. Now let's see what are the advantages of blog. First of all, increases new businesses. A constant stream of visits to your blog will also increase the potential to attract interest for prospects. The second one is great for feedback. It allows and encourages constant engagement with leaders. Whether they agree or disagree, you will know it immediately by their comments. The third one is gain influence. If your material is good, you will attract repeat visitors and will gain their trust and respect. Then number four is learn more about your followers. One of the things businesses spend a lot of money on is on learning what their consumers want from them or what they like, dislike about their products. Blogging is an easy and effective way to obtain this information. And the number fifth is establish yourself as an expert in your field. This won't happen overnight, but over time. As you post some more blog and share your genuine knowledge with the community, your readers will begin to see you as an expert. And the last one is help others. A good blog can educate, inspire, and help readers in ways the blogger may never know. These are not just only the advantages that blog have. There are also a lot of advantages. Now let's see what are the disadvantages of blog. First of all is poor content. Poorly written content can reflect badly on your brand. Put some thought into what you blog about and ensure your work has been edited and reviewed. And the second one is inconsistent posts. If you decide to blog, make sure you do it consistently. Imagine how it would look to people visiting your site and your blog is over a year old and our blog is worse than no blog. And the third one is it takes time. Yes, you need to give some thought and plan out what you are going to blog about. The good news thought is that the more you do it, the easier it will become. So, first of all, then you should start writing. And the biggest disadvantage that the blog has is the last one, that is risk having no one see your content. Yes, all the good quality content is a key. You need to drive traffic to your site so people know that there is a blog to read. If you are active on social media, you may share it there, but again, you are limited by how many followers you have. Here's some great news. There is a new concept in online marketing that involves working with other businesses so that everyone leverages all of their social media connections in order to reach a broader audience. So okay guys, that is all that I was going to talk about blog today. So I hope you have learned everything about blog in this video. See you in next video.